indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include keyless ignition, steering wheel controls, hands-free Bluetooth integration, sun moonroof, third row seating. With these ratings, we are pleased to show you 2017 Sienna. Sienna offers excellent overall quality and long-term dependability, making it a hassle-free vehicle to drive day in and day out, while contributing to peace of mind on long road trips. Add a refined and fuel-efficient V6 engine, a smooth ride, and upscale interior accommodations to the mix, and it's easy to see that Sienna is built with the whole family in mind and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, power passenger seat, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, power lift gate, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.